Hey guys, Tony. Good morning here. For those of you that are still holding Shiba Inu, I did want to make a quick TA for you guys. The last TA that I posted was a bullish TA, and I said that if trend actually ends up breaking, I do see Shiba back around like the 60-ish cent mark, right? Or at least touching trend. The good part is Shiba Inu actually broke trend, right? So you have there's three trends that we're following right now. Currently, right now, this trend has been created since November 3rd, which was just really a couple of days ago, like 2 days ago. It actually just broke trend. Actually, I'll get rid of this stuff right here. That was just kind of like my scenarios of where it can actually go. So it actually broke trend, right? You have the first trend, first downtrend right here, broke it completely big 4 hour candle above that, so that's really good. Um, as soon as trend breaks, I'm definitely even more bullish towards the upside. Unfortunately, you did go down to 42 microcents, which is not good because that's definitely a major low, and even on the fib, right? I think on the fib is that actually a 7-1? Is that a 618? Let me see. Retracement is that? Yeah, it's a little bit past it. So it's a 786 retracement instead of it being just a 618 retracement on the fib, which kind of makes you super overextended. Um, and that's not too worrisome, but usually when you want it to hit 618 and then retrace, not 786. 786 means that there might be a chance that you go even lower. But the great part is they actually broke the first lower trend, the downtrend. So I can definitely see Shiba Inu possibly going back to around this level. So I can see it do something like this, right? So either from here, you go straight to like trendish, like that, or you come back here, possibly retest trend down here somewhere. You probably throw a wick down there, and then you like do like that, right? Something like this. Come back to trend, right? And you would possibly see somewhere in the lines of very low 60 area to very high 50 area. So maybe 59 microcents, 58, maybe 60 microcents, somewhere around that area, right? And then once you get back here, if you do, you have to break support at 60 microcents, because keep in mind, this is, what happened, exactly what I told you guys happened last time, right? What happened here? You had that first initial sell off from 66 all the way down to like 48 microcents. What happened? You came all the way back up. You retested right here, this general area, like I told you guys, and you came all the way back down, and you actually ended up dropping even further, which is definitely not good. Because as of right now, you did have an official like lower downtrend channel, right? So there was a good chance that if you did not break this, the next area was possibly going to be somewhere like 35 microcents. So if trend was not broken, you were going to go all the way back down here, guarantee you. So as of right now, because you broke trend, I do see Shiba Inu somewhere back around the 60 microcent range, which is really good. Once it breaks that level, then you have to break another lower trend that was made up here. That would probably take us back to like 66 microcents again, which is really good because you're breaking that relative high from back here, or that initial drop that happened. So if that breaks, Shiba Inu is I would say 100% going back to 88 microcents again. But this is the major trend here that's got to get broken. That happened back on, that one's been going since October 29th. That one's a bit more of a micro trend, but it's still there. I mean, there's no reason for me to think that that's not going away, right? Actually, let me switch it up a little bit. This, I can put it here. Let me see, I'll do like, whoops, like that. There you go. Well, actually, that's good. At least that way we know it's a good trend. But yeah, again, still bullish on Shiba Inu. If you guys are still in, great. If you're not, that's fine. I'm still waiting for a little bit more of the development side to kind of move forward with the supply. I just want an official answer, right? What happened with it? Why are the calculators changed? Why was it changed from 394 to 549? I'm not saying I don't like Shiba Inu. I just want an answer. And then once I get a straight answer, then I can possibly hop back into Shiba Inu. But it's mostly just, once this thing gets resolved, then I'll jump back in, maybe. But it's really just about waiting until the development team and everybody else kind of, and lets us know what happened because CoinMarketCap and Coinbase officially changed their circulating supply to 594. So has it always been 594, or why did everybody show 349 for a while? So I just want to know, right? I know that the Shiba Inu team already talked to CoinMarketCap and they're waiting for a response from CoinMarketCap, but I just want to get the information right before there's really any like crazy moves that happen. And I don't care if I already made a crap ton of money on Shiba Inu. I already did like a 10x. So, I don't care if I buy back in like right now or like at 60 microcents. My initial take profit was, take everything out, or at least a big majority of my Shiba Inu when price hits like a hundred billion market cap. So my price target was really the market cap. It was never really a specific price. So I thought that I really thought that Shiba Inu could break Doggy's all-time peak of market cap, which is around 90 billion. I thought that it can at least match that, or at least go to 100 billion, right? And I still think it can do that. Again, when once like all answers are resolved, and I still think that Robinhood, because there's a lot of there's a lot of regulations that go into US live companies, so companies that have IPO'd, especially with brokers that want to list new things. As far as it doesn't matter if it's a crypto or a stock, but they have to make sure that everything that is said about the company is 100% true. They need to know that everything is 100% reliable, right? So I think a major part of Robinhood not listing Shiba Inu is the fact that right now there's a little bit of a issue with the circulating supply, and they just want to make sure that it's right. So I feel like they're having the same issue as me, where I'm just like, I just want to know what's going on, and then once I get an official answer, then it's good. Then I'll hop back in. But for right now, I'll keep providing TA for you guys. I think Shiba Inu is bullish, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.